In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process checks in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step to ensure it's smooth and straightforward. Let's get started by navigating to the QuickBooks Online website. Once there, you'll want to click on Sign In to access your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but for our purposes, we'll assume you already have your login credentials ready. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, look for and select the option for QuickBooks Online to proceed. Enter your username and password credentials and then click Continue to move forward. It's always a good practice to ensure your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Now, from the top left corner of the dashboard, locate and click on the New button. This crucial step opens a variety of transaction options that QuickBooks has to offer. From this list, look for and click on Check. This feature is highlighted by QuickBooks to make it easy for users to track expenses efficiently. Next, it's time to add the payee. Think of the payee as the person or company to whom you are issuing this check. Make sure to have the accurate details on hand to avoid any errors in the payment process. Once you've added the payee, it's time to select your bank account. QuickBooks will automatically provide a list of accounts you have linked. Be sure you choose the correct account from which you intend the check to be debited. Moving forward, it's essential to add an item or category for the check. This is where you'll categorize the expense to streamline your bookkeeping. For instance, if you're paying for office supplies, select that category to attribute the cost correctly. If there's an additional itemized expense, feel free to add multiple lines to accurately capture all details. Now let's move on to the amount. Enter the amount that corresponds to what the check is supposed to cover. Double check this number to ensure it aligns with your records or invoices. Accurate data entry here saves time and prevents errors down the road. Finally, once all the details are accurately entered and you've reviewed everything for consistency and correctness, click on Save and Close. This action finalizes the check processing, logging the transaction into your QuickBooks Online account, and marks it as complete. And there you have it, a streamlined and straightforward process for managing checks within QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can efficiently handle your transactions, saving time, and ensuring your financial records are always up to date. Thanks for joining me today and happy bookkeeping.